Hello, Victoria Tiscarino, and I'm going to model multiplication using base 10 blocks. So I'm going to start off with the numbers, with the problem 10 times 15. Okay. Alright, I know it's backwards. So we will need one base 10 hundreds block, because this is a hundredth, but we have 10, okay? 10 times 10 is 100. Okay, and then we're going to need 5 more because it's important for my students to know so that they don't get confused that when I say 10 times 15, I mean 10 this side, 10 times 15 long ways, like if we were measuring the length of something. So we already have 10, but we need to add 5 more 10 long rods to make this 10 times 15. Okay, so we'll label this side 10, and then once they count this side, the length of it, they should have 15. Now we know that 10 times 10 equals 100, okay? And we also know that 5 times 10 is 50. So that is one way of figuring out that answer, because we would know that 100 plus 50 would give us 150. We also know that if the students were to multiply 10 times 15, they would also still get 150. Okay, now I'm going to do just one more problem. And this time I will use 20 times 13. Okay, so we will need 2 flats. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. One too many. Okay. So we have 2 flats because we're multiplying 20 times 15, and 2 of these make 20 on one side. So if we count one side of these blocks, it is 20 because each rod or block of these this right here, it would be 10. So we have 20, but we need 20 times 13. So also remembering that we are counting long, like lengthwise. Let's put this down to be easier. So we need to add 3 on top and bottom to create the 13 lengthwise, or long ways. So we know that on this side we have 20. Now if we count this way, we'll have 13. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We also know that if we do 20 times 10, it will be 200. And we also know that if we do these 6 rods, because we did 3 and 3, though that we would have 13 across. So if we did 6 times 10, we would get 60. Which is the same as doing 20 times 13 would equal 260. Okay. I'm going to move on to division. Okay, I'm going to do 224 divided by 2. Okay, so we would need 200 is 2 flats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 flats. 224 would be 2 of these equal 20, and 4 ones. 4 ones, okay? So, and we're dividing by 2. So, students will learn this way that they will need to distribute their blocks by 2 in order to figure out the answer of 224 divided by 2. So, we'll do 1 and 1 here, 1 1/10 and 1/10 here, 1 1 and 1. So our answer to 224 divided by 2 equals 112. And it equals 112 because after we have distributed this evenly, 224 2 times, we came up with the answer of 112. Okay? And that concludes my video for today.